How to freeze or unfreeze your Gemini credit card. First of all, open the app and go to the cards section from the bottom bar. If you want to freeze your Gemini credit card, tap on Freeze Card. This will temporarily stop any new transactions, but your account will remain active. If your card is already frozen and you want to unfreeze it, first secure your account by going to your Gemini account security settings and then change password. Create a strong new password to keep your account safe. Next, contact Gemini Support and security teams by email. Provide details about any unauthorized login, when it happened, and if you are contesting any other activity. Give as much information as possible so they can help you quickly. Once your case is reviewed, Gemini will guide you on how to unfreeze your card so you can use it again. Now you know how to freeze or unfreeze your Gemini credit card. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.